should have vlogged this before, guys. And I'm vlogging in public for like the first time. It's really awkward. I don't even know if you can hear me. I feel really awkward right now. So yeah, look at this. What was that? Still behind me. So this is what's going on. They put lights on this building now. And it looks really cool. Ew, smokers. Walking down an alleyway. Feeling a bit weird. Yes, I'm just gonna follow Dad down this really creepy alleyway thing, you know. Pedophiles could be hiding anywhere. So that's where we came from. We just came down here and feel a bit creeped out. How is that not creepy? Like seriously.